Akorro papa. Akorro ka badiyar.
Akoro ojena kwa Etenge nyesidera tioniza neotomano karamoja engare nuko keza kwa nekuria ka yogani tungalude giro kinteja utene nara kaulo nada yogani erai monyo nada Etenge nyesida itupa kini.
They are always seated on the roads. When you move out, you want to go for lunch. As you are entering a eating house or a restaurant, people say Akoro Kanyamitang. People want something. It is what? Akoro Kanyamitang. Yeah, all of us are like beggars in town.
I wanted we are looking at the engagement plan. What do we think about? Because now we are saying they are drinking. They are redundant under trees. But you go outside there and move. I don't know how many times have you slept out, like some of us have slept, and how they are surviving outside. So that is one of the things. How do we engage them?
We have to fight what we call the mindset. And then looking at what I told you, the idea of give me is there. That's why you have had the slogan, Akanyameta Koro. Because that is the nature of people. So this thing is, now let's see how we can handle the issue of the mindset.
People can change. It is us who are leaving our people to continue looking poor. Why must able-bodied person come and sit? I used to see at mayor's office there. Able-bodied boys sitting that waiting for 1,000 shillings.
Akala nyanu tunyezda ichie bore yanga untidokwa na Etenge lo karamoja. Konye ingai bodo bere beita itorono anoda etana ikini karamoja lo Ailipilipitoi. Ara imame koto saswam.
It is we need the poverty. It is not that, it is we. Because if I have something, why don't I share with my colleagues? Why don't I tell somebody, this is the way you should get some money?
There are jobs. There is slashing compounds. There is being, that's all money. But these guys don't want even to slash because they know there is free money. Somebody will give them 1,000.
Why do you become rich with the money or with the business that you have? So don't think it is we ourselves to look, just because we don't have teamwork.
But we are the ones encouraging that thing of beggars. Why do you own poor people? It's really bad manners, my good friends.
But partly we are poor because we are poor and because we want to be poor. Some of us who are now the managers of this town, we must talk about that. We must change the mindset of our people.
Usman Sebaduka lodera etaunu kilak otomano moroto nyeza itoro nitidokwa na ikaramoja anakwa makinta mata jono ibore yeni de tono koko kesi.
The most recent report is mentioning Karamoja as a region is number 1 in alcohol abuse, and Moroto is number 1 in the region. Deputy Mayor, is that true or false?
47%.
So you are staying with the people that are not sober. And if our mind is not sober, what is it that we are going to develop?
Abuda yata kintebe aitana ikini karamoja kur nyezda bone kia lode buna imuke unetenye otomano karamoja.
These greens can come here. Skuma week, I've seen skuma week here in town. It is like a what? A weed. Everywhere you see skuma week. But are we taming it? Are we doing that?
Ido karamoja kere nyezde jasi tungale doltose million tedope chunya kayare. Iboe totomano chalo ido iba korokezde gwe kinto chutine petai. Akaisa kanyapi ndio poto manangoni kwa tatam waneo tomano Uganda. Oraido isula ilelila chuntosi luka UNFPA. Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Moroto.